Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL series, and now we have to solve one more question which is on sorting and grouping. So this is the fourth question of sorting and grouping, which is classes with at least 5 students. Okay, so here is given a table course where is column name is student class and the type is varchar. Okay, so the student in class is a primary key for this table. Each row of this table indicate the name of the student and the class in which they are enrolled. Okay. So here is given a student as in primary, a student in class combining as in primary key in this table. Okay, each row of this table indicate the name of a student and the class in which they are enrolled. Okay, so you have to write the solution to find all the classes that have at least 5 students. So you have to write the solution in which all the classes you have to find a solution to find the class which having at least 5 students. Okay, so you have to return the solution in any order. So here is given a course table, here is given a student and class. Okay, so here is given student A, B, C, D, and the class is given math, English here. Okay, so you have to count the student which having at least 5. So here is a math which having 6 students. Okay, so yeah, it is greater than or equals to 5. So you have to return the student. Okay, I mean the subject. So let's first you have to select the class that you want to return. So you have to select class from courses table group. You just have to do group by class having count student which having greater than or equals to 5. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.